Welcome back to CyberBikes. I'm Felipe, your host and CEO. So let me show you this pretty bike called Pepito. So the Pepito is a fat bike, 20 inches wheels. It's a foldable bike, so it's very convenient for those who have a caravan, van, and they like to go exploring and everything. So one of the biggest questions people have had is how to fold Pepito, and I'm gonna show you now how to do it. So to begin with, let's fold the pedals. A very easy test. You're gonna push against this main area here of the pedal, and then we're gonna fold it. So I push it in, then I fold the pedal. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the right hand side. So I'm gonna push here, and I'm gonna fold the pedals. Alright, so the pedals are folded. Now we have to fold the main hinge of the bike. To do that, I suggest you to come on this right side of the bike, check out the lever. So we have this red button as a safety feature. Alright, you cannot simply just open the lever, you have to first press this red button. Okay, so you press the red button and you pull the lever. Can you see? The frame kind of open a little bit. Let's do it again. So I'm gonna press the red one and I'm gonna open the lever. Now that the lever is open, I'm gonna do my magic trick, which is use leverage to fold the bike. What I do, I remove the kickstand. I know this bike will support itself over here, okay? So this leg is what will support the bike on the floor once it's folded. So what am I gonna do? I remove the pedal out of the way and I'm gonna now fold the bike. So what I do, I put my foot on the hinge here at the same time that I'm lifting the front and folding the bike, pulling it to me. So I'm gonna do this. 3, 2, 1, oh! I'm gonna get my bubble wrap or a cardboard or a rag, and I'm gonna put in between the bike, and now I'm gonna finish folding it. Okay, and then I can support the bike on that third leg underneath. Okay, and to make it even safer to carry the bike, we have this Velcro strap, which I'm gonna tie it between the rack and the suspension fork. Pay attention that I avoid the electrical wire, and then I pass the strap avoiding the electrical wire. Okay, you should do the same. Don't strap the electrical wire, in this case the front light. Okay, then last but not least important is this handlebar clamp. I'm gonna pull this shiny knuckle over here. I'm gonna pull it up. Okay, pull it up, then I can release the lever, and then I fold the handlebar completely. And then the bike's ready to be carried, to be put inside of a car, a minivan, an SUV, a sedan, depending on your trunk. So in this case, I would hold firmly this area and the rack. Prepare my lower back, my back, and then back. That's it. Guys, let's get back to business. Let's unfold the Pepito. So as we used force to kick and pull, now we are gonna do the same but on the opposite direction. So I'm gonna position my foot here, you know, close to where the locking mechanism is. So I'm gonna lift and kick the bike. Okay, 3, 2, 1, boom! That was a good move. And now the bike that's standing up on the tires, I'm kind of doing the same. So yeah, this is maybe the best and easiest way. I'm a bit monkey. Come here, Bruno, behind me. So, as you could see, I'm gonna open, and to lock, I just approach the two sides of the hinge very close, and then I come with the locking mechanism and lock it. Once in a while, every 6 months, 12 months, depending on the usage of the bike, it's good to double check the hinges, you know, and be sure that the closing mechanism has some tension, some spring-loaded elasticity to hold it in the right place. We're gonna record another video talking how to do the maintenance on those hinges, but in terms of folding the Pepito, this is the procedure. Now, as I'm gonna go on a ride, I'm gonna unfold the pedals, turn the bike on, get my helmet. Very important, don't ride without a helmet. And before I take off, I will turn on the lights of the Pepito, because lights are very important. Now I'm being seen on the road, and that's how I go. See you later!